Welcome to Programming Prince. You know nowadays who has computer information knowledge, he can do anything. And that this channel is related about.
So, we are going to start the first lecture which is Introduction to Programming. So, what is programming? Programming is to instruct the computer how to do something and what to do. So first of all, we will see what is problem solving. Problem solving is a process of identifying a problem and finding the best solution for it. And this process of problem solving has three different kinds, and we can solve problems using all of these kinds, which are program, algorithm, and flowchart. So what is program? Program is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do is called program, as I already told. To tell the computer what to do is called the program or programming. Computer do all the things according to the instructions and do not disobey the instructions. Computer programs are written in programming languages. So what is a programming language? To tell a computer what to do, we use a special language which he can understand. Like I can understand English, so you will tell me in English what to do. Like I want you to bring a glass of water, so I will tell you bring me a glass of water in English. So you will follow, so you will understand and you will follow and you will bring me a glass of water. So the same process with the computer. To tell a computer what to do, we have to use a special language which computer can understand. Computer cannot understand the languages which we daily use, like computer cannot understand English, computer cannot understand Urdu, computer cannot understand Hindi. So we have to use the special languages which are called programming languages or computer languages. The basic language of computer is binary language. All the computer programs are written in that language, and computer can only understand that language. Whatever language we use in computer, that language should be converted into binary. That code should be converted into binary code, so that computer can understand it and follow the instructions. There are many computer languages out, like C++, C, C#, VB.NET, and Python, PHP, JavaScript. These are the famous languages which are usually used today. So whoever writes the computer program is called a programmer. So program writing can be divided into 3 steps, or we can use all of these steps and and do not follow whatever we like program. This I already told you. Advantages of computer programs. Computer programs can do many things in seconds and milliseconds and nanoseconds. So they are fast, very very fast, in place of humans or other things we can use to do something. So computer programs can solve many instructions in a millisecond. Computer program can perform a task repeatedly, like computer programs are doing something and we can program it to repeat it repeatedly. So that's easy. The program can process a large amount of data easily. Programs can process large amount of data easily, like you can see the biggest example is Google, which can find any website and by processing and finding. There is a lot of steps Google uses, like first of all it finds the websites, then stores its ranked words, and then when we search it looks for all of those words and finds the best words and arranges those words. And there are other examples like Nadra in Pakistan, which is regarding the people's records. It can display the results in different styles. Programs can show the results in different styles and designs, like games. You can see games. Those are the biggest examples of the stylish way of showing the results. Processing of a program is more efficient and less time consuming. Processing of a program is more efficient and less time consuming. Different types of programs are used in different fields to perform certain tasks. We use different types of programs in different kind of works. Like if we have to find some website, we will use Google, and if we have to use we have to write some text, we will use Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is also a program, if you know or you do not know. Algorithm. What is an algorithm? Algorithm are basically a step-by-step instructions to solve a program or how to write a program in the simple English language. Before writing any program, we can use algorithm, and we can write algorithm to do not mix up and forget what we have to do. Like if we have to do a simple program which calculates two inputs and gets the input from user, we will design it like this in simple English. First of all, we will assume a variable. Then we will assume the b variable like in mathematics. And then we will get the input from the user. And then we will input the second input. And these inputs will be equal to the variables which are a and b. And then we will show result of a plus b. So it's simple. First of all, we assume two variables, then input the both variables, and then shown the result of a plus b in the simple English. The algorithm makes programs easy, to write programs easy. After doing the algorithm, we can translate these programs into a computer language. Advantages of algorithms are reduced complexity. If we code, there is a lot of complexity and we cannot find what we have to do and what we were doing and what is done here. So to reduce complexity, we can write algorithm, and most of the time in the biggest companies, their algorithms are written before writing the actual programs. Increased flexibility. Algorithm provide flexibility. In coding, we have to follow the rules, and we cannot disobey those rules. But in the algorithms, we can disobey, and we can write the programs in simple English. Ease of understanding. Algorithms are easy to understand, like you can understand what is written here, but in coding it's difficult to find what is written.